I am Dr. R.P. Tripathi. My lecture, the topic of my lecture is skewness and kurtosis. Skewness, a frequency distribution of the set of values that is not symmetrical is called asymmetrical or skewed. Skewness means lack of symmetry. For positive skewness distribution, arithmetic mean is greater than median is greater than mode, and for negative distribution, arithmetic mean is less than median is less than mode. Calculation coefficient of skewness, SKP is equal to mean minus mode by standard deviation. It is equal to 3 mean minus median by standard deviation. The second coefficient of skewness is Bowley's coefficient of skewness. It is equal to Q3 plus Q1 minus 2m divided by Q3 minus Q1, where Q3 is the third quartile, Q1 is the first quartile, and m is the median. Coefficient of skewness based on moments, mu 3 divided by mu 2 raised power 3 by 2. The value of SKP lies between plus minus 3, but for a moderately skewed distribution, value of SKP is equal to minus 1 to 1, means minus 1 to 1. Example 1, from the information given below, calculate Karl Pearson coefficient of skewness and also Bowley's coefficient of skewness. Mean is 150, median is 142, standard deviation is equal to 30, third quartile is 195 and first quartile is equal to 62. Solution, we have, it is given that x bar is equal to 150, median is 142, standard deviation is 30, third quartile means Q3 is equal to 195 and Q4 is equal to 62. SKP is equal to 3 minus x bar means mean minus median by standard deviation is equal to 3 into 150 minus 142 by 30 is equal to 0.8, and Bowley's coefficient of skewness Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1 is equal to 260 plus 80 minus 2 into 155 divided by 260 minus 80, it is equal to minus 203, means skewness is negative. In the first case, skewness is positive. Example 2, the first three central moments of a distribution are 0, 15, minus 31. Find the moment coefficient of skewness. Solution, we have mu 1 is equal to 0, mu 2 is equal to 15, mu 3 is equal to minus 31, and the moment coefficient of skewness is equal to mu 3 divided by mu 2 raised power 3 by 2 minus 31 divided by 15 raised power 3 by 2, means it is equal to minus 31 divided by 15 in raised power 3 by 2, means we have this, we have minus 31 divided by 58.09, means it is equal to 0.53, means moment coefficient of skewness is minus is 0.53, means positive skewness. Third example, the first four moments of a distribution about the value 3 of the variable are 0, 20, 40 and 45. Calculate the moment coefficient of skewness. Solution, we have mu 1 dash is equal to 2, mu 2 dash is equal to 20, mu 3 dash is 40 and mu 4 dash is equal to 45. we know the formula for finding the relation between mu 2 and mu 2 dash is mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. It is equal to 20 minus 2 square is equal to 16, means mu 2 is 16, mu 3 is equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 1 dash into mu 2 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash cube. Substituting these values, we get mu 3 is equal to minus 64. Moment coefficient of skewness. Moment coefficient of skewness is mu 3 divided by mu 2 raised power 3 by 2. Substituting mu 3 and mu 2 in this formula, we get 64 divided by 64, it is minus 1, means moment coefficient of skewness is minus 1. Kurtosis. And what do you mean by kurtosis? Kurtosis is a measure of pickedness or flatness of a normal curve. Normal curve divides, means left side of normal curve the area is 0.5 and right side of normal curve area is 0.5, means total area under normal curve is 1. There are three types of kurtosis. First, leptokurtic, second, mesokurtic, and third, platykurtic. If the distribution is more peaked, then this curve is said to be leptokurtic. If the distribution is more flat, then the normal distribution curve is called platykurtic, and if there is no disturbance of the normal curve, it is said to be mesokurtic. Normal distribution is also known as platykurtic. Measure of kurtosis. Measure of kurtosis means gamma 2 is equal to beta 2 minus 3. We have beta 2 is equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square. And with the help of beta 2, we find gamma 2. With the help of beta 2, we find gamma 2, and gamma 2 is equal to beta 2 minus 3. Measure of kurtosis, gamma 2 is equal to beta 2 minus 3, where beta 2 is equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square. Example 1. The first 4 moments of a distribution are 0, 2.5, 0.7 and 18.75. Comment on the kurtosis of the distribution. Solution. First we find beta 2. Beta 2 is equal to mu 4 divided by mu 2 square. It is equal to 18.75 divided by 2.5 square. Solving it, we get it is 3. Means since beta 2 is equal to 3, the curve is mesokurtic. Means gamma 2 is equal to beta 2 minus 3, means 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, means we get a normal curve. Example 2. For a distribution, the mean is 10, variance is 16, gamma 1 is 1, beta 2 is 4. Find the first 4 central moments, means we have to find out mu 1, mu 2, mu 3 and mu 4. Here gamma 1 is equal to 1, means mu 3 divided by mu 2 raised power 3 by mu 2 raised power 3 by 2 is equal to 1, means mu 3 square is equal to mu 2 cube is equal to 16 cube. Solving it, and we will get mu 3 is equal to 64. Also beta 2 is equal to 4 and beta 2 is equal to mu 4 divided by mu 2 square is equal to 4, and solving it we get mu 4 is equal to 1024. Example 1. Find the first 4 moments about the mean for the following data and discuss the kurtosis. 10, 10, 10, 10 means all quantity are 10. Here take mean, taking mean, and mean is always, mean of this series is also 10, x minus x naught is 0, hence mu 1 is 0, mu 2 is again 0, mu 3 is again 0, mu 4 is again 0. Means for constant data, means same data, for all 4 moments become 0. Second example, find the first 4 moments about the mean of the following series 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 7, 9, 10. Also discuss the nature of skewness and kurtosis. Solution, we have summation x minus x bar is always 0, x minus it is x minus x bar, skewness is 0, x minus x bar is square, it is square, x minus x bar square is 60, it is not x minus x bar is square, it is square is 0, x minus x bar square is 0 is equal to 60, x minus x cube is equal to minus 60, x minus x bar is power 4 is equal to 1 0 4 3. Here x1 is equal to 0, means first moment about the mean is always 0. Second central moment means mu 2 is equal to 60, means mu 2 is equal to 60, it is this, it is square, is 0, it is 0, it is 60, means 60 by 5 is equal to 12, mu 3 minus 60 means mu 3 is minus 60, this mu 3 is this divided by 5, minus 60 by 5 is equal to minus 12, mu 4 is equal to this divided by 5 means this. Skewness is equal to mu 3 divided by, it is mu 2, mu 3 divided by mu 2 raised power 3 by 2 is equal to 12 divided by 12 raised power 3 by 2 means minus this, we get skewness is negative. Kurtosis, mu 4 by mu 2 square minus 3, mu 4 is this divided by mu 2 square, mu 2 is 12, this minus 3 is equal to minus 1.5514, means it is platykurtic, because it is less than 3, hence it is platykurtic. Discuss the nature of the following individual series 3, 6, 8, 10, 18. Serial number 1, x is 1, 6, 8, 10 and 18. First we take mean of this, mean of 45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mean is 45 divided by 5, it is 9, means mean is x bar is not, it is mu or x bar, mu is equal to 9, x1 is always 0. Here 3 minus 9 minus 6, 6 minus 9 minus 3, 8 minus 9 minus 1, 10 minus 9 1, 10, 18 minus 9 9. Square it, we get 36, 9, 1, 1 and it is 81, not 91, but it is 81. 8 ja 81, not 91, but it is 81. Sum of this is 128, cube of this cube is 216, 3 cube minus 3 cube is minus 27, minus 1 is minus 1 cube is minus 1, 1 cube is 1, 9 cube is 729, 729. Sum of this is 486. The fourth power of this is 1294, 1296, 81, 1, 1, 6561. Summation, sum of this is 7940, 7940. Here mu 1 is always 0, mu 2 is 25.6, this divided by 5, 128 divided by 5 is 25.6, this means this divided by 5 is mu 3, this divided by 5 is mu 4, this divided by it is mu 4. Coefficient of skewness is mu 2 mu 3 by mu 2 raised power 3 by 2. Substituting these values we get this. Again mu 4 is coefficient of kurtosis is mu 4 divided by mu 2 square minus 3. Calculating, substituting these values in this formula, we get minus 5769, 5769. We use this formula, we have discussed this formula, previous formula, means mu 4 is equal to beta 2 is equal to mu 4 divided by mu 2 square. Discuss the skewness from the following distribution. Discuss the skewness and kurtosis from the following distribution. Interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequencies are 10, 20, 40, 20 and 10. Solution, first we find mid value of the given interval 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Frequency is 10, 20, 40, 20, 10. Sum of frequencies is 100. Find D. D means m minus 25, take the mid value here m minus 25 by 10, A is the assumed mean, it is 25 is the mid value, it is the mid value 25, D m minus 25 by 10, mid value is m, mid value, D is equal to m minus 25 by 10 means 5 minus 25 means 20, 5 minus 25 means minus 20 divided by 10, 5, it is 5 minus 25 is minus 20 divided by 10 is minus 2, 15 minus 25 is minus 10 divided by 10 is minus 1, 25 minus 25 divided by 10 is 0, 35 minus 25 divided by 10 is 1, 45 minus 25 divided by 10 is 2. FD means frequency into this into this is equal to this into this is equal to this, 40 into 0 is equal to this, 20 into 1 is equal to 20, 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Second we find FD square. FD square means F into D square, 10 into 4 is square, 10 into 4 minus 2 square is 4, 10 into 4 is 40, 20 into 1 minus 1 square is minus 1 square is 1, means 20 into 1 is 20, 40 into 0 is 0, 20 into 1 square means 20 into 1 is 20, 10 into 2 square means it is 40. FD cube is 10 into cube of this means minus 8, 10 into minus 8, 20 into minus 1 cube means minus 1, means 20 into minus 1 is minus 20, 40 into 0 cube is also 0, means 40 into 0 is 0, 20 into 1 cube means 20 into 1 is equal to 20, 10 into 2 cube means 10 into 8 means 80. FD raised power 4 means fourth power of this, 2 raised power 4 is 16, 10 into 16 is 160, 20 into minus 1 raised power 4 is 1 means 20 into 1 is 20, 40 into 0 raised power 4 means 0 means 40 into 0 is 0, 20 into 1 raised power 4 means 20 into 1 is equal to 20, 10 into 2 raised power 4, 2 raised power 4 means 16 means 10 into 16 is equal to 160. Take the sum FD, sum of FD is 0, sum of FD square is 120, sum of FD cube is 0, sum of FD raised power 4 is 360. We find mu 1, we find mu 1, mu 2, mu 3, mu 4, and with the help of this we calculate mu 1 is always 0, mu 2 means mu 2 we obtain mu 2 with the help of this, mu 3 with the help of this, and mu 3 with the help of this, divided by frequency FD. FD square is this here, mu 2 is equal to summation f d square by summation f into h square, means it is equal to 120 divided by 100 into h means into h is equal to 100, h is equal to 100 means 120. Mu 3 is equal to summation f d square by summation f into d cube, and mu 4 is equal to summation f d raised power 4 by summation f into d raised power 4 into d raised power 4. It is the shortcut method for finding mu 1, mu 2 and mu 4. For bigger data we reduce the data into lesser quantity. Mu 2 is equal to summation f d square by this, f d square is 120 by sum of frequency into h square. H is the length of interval is 10, 120, f d square is 120, 120 it is 120 into h square is 100, it is 120, it is 100, sum of frequency is 100, means we get this. F d cube it is 0 because f d cube is 0, hence mu 3 is 0, means third moment about mean is 0. Fourth moment f d raised power 4 summation f into d raised power 4 means it is 360 divided by 100 into d raised power 4. D raised power 4 means 10 raised power 4. Calculating it is 0. 360 by 100 means we have mu 4. Mu 4 is equal to 360 divided by 100 into 10 raised power 4. means it is 3600 and 0 this. Mu 3 is this, mu 2 we obtain mu 2, mu 3 and mu 4. Mu 3 is 0 means skewness is 0. Since mu 3 is 0, skewness is 0. Mu 4 and gamma 2 is equal to beta 2 minus 3 means mu 4 square, mu 4 by mu 2 square minus 3. Mu 4 is this, mu 2 square, it is mu 2 square, mu 4 by mu 2 square minus 3, mu 4 is this divided by mu 2 square is this, calculating and we will get the kurtosis. Here we have already discussed, if data is constant means same, the all moments become 0 because x minus x bar is equal to 0. Here x bar is 10. Since data is same, hence mean is same, x minus x bar is this and x minus x bar whole square is again 0, x minus x bar whole cube is 0, x minus x bar means mean is 0, mean is 10, 4 it is 0. Hence mu 1 is equal to 0, mu 2 is equal to 0, mu 3 is equal to 0, mu 4 is equal to 0. Means for a constant data all 4 moments are 0. For a constant data all 4 moments are 0. Here the first 4 moments of a distribution are this. The first 4 moments of a distribution are this. The first 4 moments of a distribution are 0, 2.5, 0.7 and 18.75. Comment on the question this. Solution beta 2, first we find beta 2. Beta 2 is equal to mu 4 by mu 2 square. It is equal to 18.75 divided by mu 2 square, mean 2.5 square, it is 3. Here gamma 2 is, it is gamma 2 is equal to beta 2 minus 3, beta 2 minus 3 means 3 minus 3 it is 0, means it is mesocortic, means normal curve, mesocortic means we get normal curve, Thanks.